Hi, my name is Ashish. This is another video for Azure Vnets series. In this video, we will see how we can restrict the network access to the PaaS resources with Azure Vnets. PaaS resources can be Azure Web Apps. It can be a storage account because it's a PaaS. It can be a SQL server on Azure as well. So we all know how to create a VNet, define a root table, application security group, network security group. Now we will make use of the VNets to restrict the access. So I will just quickly log on to the Azure portal and would start creating a storage account, because that is also one of the PaaS resources offered by Azure services. Okay, I am into this creation of a storage account. I selected resource. Okay, let me just do it again. Create a resource, go to storage, select storage account, blob file tables. I would select P2, resource manager, central India. Okay, LRS. I will leave all of the things default other than this. Virtual networks. See, if you now here you are associating your Azure storage account with of the virtual networks. I'll show you how. So this is under the same resource group, and so you are selecting this subnets. I have a subnet here, default. One or more subnets you have selected require a micro storage endpoint service. Traffic utilizing these subnets may be interrupted temporarily while the endpoint is added. So let's say I don't use this as of now. Okay, I click on create. I'll be back as soon as it is deployed. Stay tuned. Okay, this storage account has been created. Let me quickly create a file share here. File share 1. You see this option, settings, firewalls and virtual networks. Now you'll know the significance of why we mentioned this restrict network access to PaaS resources with Azure Vnets. So it says allow access from all networks. All networks, including the internet, can access this storage account. This is by default. You can map a drive. You can access the table through Azure Storage Explorer, through any database and whatnot. So if I say that I want to do it for selected networks, so virtual network, select yours to add existing virtual network, which is under pay as you go subscription. I have Azure Vnet and I have a subnet default. Okay, I enable it. So now, rather than allowing this storage account to be accessed from all around the internet or every virtual network, I have restricted this storage account, this Azure PaaS resource, to be only accessed from my virtual network, that is Azure Vnet. So this is how you restrict the Azure PaaS resource to be accessed from a particular virtual network. So I hope this was informative to all of you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share all the videos, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you. Till next time, have a great day.